How to get free permanent fruit in Roblox. Easy to way. Search in the Google blockstime.com. This guys. Start now. This is working guys now, so you will say your name that and verify you're not a so verify like that. Verify and successful result in my points is to 50 to 70. And if you done these games guys, all these games or this, follow the step to get more and join to the Discord server to get 25% guys, and you will get the promo code and giveaway. Join a game to get the giveaway in the task you will that. Then if you want get the brand, withdraw that, then pick pick this or PSDTP TSB items. Yes, so I'm going this, so is the points you want to get. This is a real guys, not a scam, so go in the video more. Also go to this permanent fruits 70,000 yan, so 1,650 Terex. So you want to get permanent, this is permanent blizzard, permanent love fruit, permanent. Want to get this permanent light fruit, the permanent ghost, the permanent flame, then easy to more, and earn a points this, earn this. This is a hard guys, this is a hard, very hard. This is not a hard, this is not a hard, hard, not hard, not hard. So guys, so don't forget to this YouTube and this TikTok. So go to the YouTube and you will that, and so this is Hyperblood, and go to this channel, subscribe guys, okay. And this is just teaching guys na, so that's all. You want to get that, and go to this and go get all games, and this is tapping. This is you gonna probably literally and what game you want, but if you want this, wait, this, and you will tap that. You thought that this is a task complete level, so 852. So this is much for fun, so this is easier, that's not scam guys. So if you want to go withdraw the TSB strongest battleground, and or the enemy defenders items, or the MM2 items, or the PS99 items, or the DTP. So let's redeem that. So 350 the points, so 250. So that's all. And want two more, want shop, and you'll directly down new. This is the new. So guys, if you redeem yan black fruits, yes, permanent fruits, ay that's a $1 yan, $1, $30, okay. Permanent light, permanent $50. Wait. Okay. Permanent, this is a permanent, okay. So back to the blocks time. So this is the blockstime.com. This is the site of the link your account, earning points, withdraw your points, and you will get this if you redeem guys na. So let's go to this Joe Angel 4. It's my main account, and I am human, so this is not easy, but you want to so I don't want to skip that. Skip. This is not easy to skip din. Wait, apple. Okay, like that, and just release the directing game. If you get more points, you want to withdraw that. Okay, follow the steps. You want to redeem this game pass or fruit case. If you withdraw permanent light, you redeem. You want this code and select all, copy. Okay, if you done, go to your Roblox. After you go in Roblox, wait. Okay, it's gonna do this more faster. If you in this game Roblox, tap your name, edit profile, okay. Your descriptions, say something. If you say this, okay, that confirm. If you confirm, your Discord server, Discord name, and is I don't have points, so you don't have enough points to purchase this product. So tap this our Discord server, server, okay. Well, this, okay, and bye bye. This is the blackstime.com and blackstime.com. Don't forget to subscribe. Subscribe to the owner. Okay. If this helpful, subscribe to the of the owner of this Blackstime. So bye bye. Waiting for it. And I get the permanent Buddha. So thanks for the blackstime.com. So I have my other teammate. This I give this. He do this. He do the site. Okay. More than people that site. So this by Orvin Nokaya. Alright. So get the fruits, and I got the all fruits. So bye bye, and thank you for watching. Subscribe.